Extreme Shrinkin. New SRK-CX slim design shrink chucks with Coolant Jet Channels Technology along the shank bore improves the tool life of solid carbide end mills. The new SRK-CX is a unique and extraordinary product line which follows ISCAR's Extreme patented Coolant Jet Channels technology, starting with a bore size of 3 millimeters. These are the slimmest shrink chucks available with direct coolant to the cutting edge. The SRK-CX features are coolant directed to the cutting edges, intended for small solid carbide tools in size ranges of 3 to 12 millimeters. Prolongs tool life. Retains maximum gripping force as a result of the holder coolant. Eliminates chip sticking to the cutting edges. Suitable for high-speed milling. Effective chip evacuation prevents chip recutting. The applications and advantages of the SRK-CX are CNC milling machines with poor external coolant flow, the ability to effectively mill cavities and pockets, most suitable for semi-finishing and finishing profile milling of titanium blisk blades, most suitable for milling applications with intensive heat generation, such as very hard alloy steels and high temperature alloys. I would like to remind you to download the ISCAR World app, which features the revolutionary Neo ITA for achieving optimal machining results.